The DS18 PRO-ZXI6.4BM Midrange Speaker is designed to deliver a powerful sound experience, boasting a maximum power of 600 watts and 300 watts RMS, making it ideal for high-power audio enthusiasts. With a sensitivity of 97 decibels and a frequency response range from 100 Hz to 10 kHz, this speaker ensures clear and distortion-free audio even at extreme volumes. Constructed with a durable, black sandblasted aluminum basket and a robust bullet dust cap, this speaker is engineered for long-lasting performance, efficiently absorbing intense power. Its compact 6.5-inch diameter and 2.83-inch mounting depth allow for versatile installation, fitting seamlessly into various applications without compromising on sound quality. The speaker combines a glass fiber voice coil, ferrite, and neodymium magnets, and a paper cone with a cloth surround to deliver precise audio and a stylish black-on-black look. This single mid-range car speaker is perfect for those looking to enhance their car audio system, motorcycle, or even home studio with professional-grade sound quality.